Wishing you a happy birthday, Kuya. Hope you enjoy your birthday today and many more birthdays to come. Stay healthy and God bless you.
Hi po, Kuya Weng. Happy birthday po. Salamat po ng marami nang naitulong niyo sa akin. All the blessings and the success that I'm experiencing right now is rooted from the help that you've given. Salamat po ng marami talaga. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hello! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Wala, nag-eskwela yung iba.
Birthday ko yan.
Happy birthday! Salamat!
Happy 60th birthday, Kuya Weng!
Happy birthday, Tito Weng! We love you! We love you!
Hi, Kuya Weng! Happy birthday! Hope you enjoy your day.
Happy birthday po!
God bless!
God bless!
Happy birthday, Tito Roel. Wishing you good health and God bless. We love you.
Hi Tito, happy birthday po. Sana po makadalaw po kami dyan. At mag-ingat po kayo palagi at God bless po.
Hello! Happy birthday, Weng! Welcome to the club! Wishing you more birthday to come and more blessing. God bless you always with your family. Yun lang. Happy birthday again.
Happy 60th birthday, Kuya Weng!
God bless. More blessings to come po.
Shot Puno! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Weng. Yeah, happy birthday. We love you. Enjoy your birthday.
May you have many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Weng. May you have more birthdays to come. Ano ba ang handa ninyo? Marami ba? Marami kayong invited, ha? Sana ay maging masaya ang iyong birthday.
Hi Tito Weng, happy 60th birthday to you, happy birthday. And then I know you have a lot in the line like Tito Grace, Omai, Roy, Rachel, and us who truly loves you. And I would like also to take this opportunity to say thank you to you for being an excellent big brother to your siblings, a big brother to my mother, and you know that you are appreciated. We appreciated you a lot, Tito. So personally, I would like to wish you all the best in life, all the blessing will come to you and to your family. And for sure that God bless you always in all His ways. So enjoy your day, enjoy the rest of the day, have a good times, and see you soon. Please take care. We love you so much. Happy birthday again.
Argol, happy birthday! Ikaw ang mas matanda ko sa iyo eh. Ikaw pa una mag-birthday. Sana, umabot po tayo 100 para maganda. Happy birthday! Ang hindi ko makakalimutan sa iyo noong panahon na tayo nag-iinom pa, nung binata pa tayo, ikaw ay si Paring Baso ng Pabsyo, tatandaan ko. Yun ang hindi ko makakalimutan nung ikay malasing na tayo ay nasa playa. Naalala, hindi mo siguro naalala kasi lasing ka nga noon. Tapos, ang pinakaayaw ko sa iyo ngayon, hindi ko na nag-iinom. Wala na tayong bonding sa looban. kulitan na lang kayo nito, boy, yun na lang meron. So, ito si Edith, babati sa inyo ng happy birthday. Happy birthday, pare ko. Sana malasing mo sila. Tagay ka muna, ito nga pala, sinaselebrate ko yung birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Paring Weweng. May you have many, many more birthday to celebrate with the family. Enjoy being a senior. Enjoy the previous, like libres pag ng sine, pagkain sa Tiempo na may discount, at sa bus na may discount din. Alam ko namang madalang kang mag-commute. Ang hindi ko makakalimutan na bilang tayo ay magpinsan na nakasama kita ay nung sinamahan mo kung ako kumuha ng exam sa Manila. Nang time na yan ay nanay yung nakaburol. At alam ko sa tuwing maalala mo, natatawa ka at tuwang-tuwa ka. Nung ako ay tumatawid, pupuntang school, dumaan ako sa may flagpole at aksidenteng ako ay nadulas. Pagkakadulas ko yung bilis ng pagkakatayo ko at tuwang-tawa ka na nakita mo. At sa tuwing naalala mo, tuwang-tuwa ka. Enjoy mo lang ang iyong birthday, celebrate. Ngayon, ang iyong birthday celebration, enjoy with the family and friends. And thank you for all the things na ginawa ninyong mag-asawa ni Ginang sa akin, kay Joe at kay Awi, na lagi ninyong pagsama sa kanila. We love you.
Ay, Kuya. Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ang birthday mo. Kahit kami nasa malayo kami. Wala na akong masabi pa at sorry sa'yo kasi nasa iyo na lahat. May mabait kang asawa at maganda pa. Mababait din ang mga anak mo. Sana huwag kang magsawang tumulong sa amin. Kasi para sa akin, para kang airport eh. Landingan ng mga nangangailangan at wala kang pinipili kahit sino tinutulungan mo. Financial man yan, o emotional, o ano pa man yung problema na yan, nandiyan ka, hindi ka tumatandi. Kaya proud na proud ako sa'yo. You're the best kuya in the world. Kaya, happy birthday kuya. Sana huwag ka magsawa. Si Alvin.
Yaw, happy birthday.
Walang masabi.
Wala akong masabi.
Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya siya.
Sana sa karawan mo ay maging masaya ka. Salamat at meron akong bayaw na kagaya mo na tumutulong sa kamag-anak. Hindi lang sa pera, pati sa personal na na problema, nandyan ka, tumutulong, kaya idol na idol kita. Hindi ko lang kayang gawin yung mga ginagawa mo, pero napaka-the best ka talaga. Kaya bayaw, happy birthday sa'yo. At mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. God bless.
Hi, hello, mabuhay, bonjour, sawadika. Hi, Ninowewe. Oh my God, nakasabit yung mic sa natural hair ko. Nino, you're 60 na. Happy birthday to you. Happy 60th birthday. I wish you all the good things in life, good health, good food, good wealth, good sex, ganyan, Ninang Gray. Anyway, I miss you and I miss you all guys. I wish I can see you here in Canada, or if I ever go in the Philippines, to go back in Philippines for a vacation, I'm really looking forward to that. And I miss you all. Also, one of my favorite memories with you is when we went to Magallanes. Hindi mo na maalala, no? Hindi mo na maalala kasi 60 ka na. Pero pag nag-61 ka na, maalala mo yun. Sure. Anyway, I'm talking nonsense. Anyway, I'll make it quick. Happy birthday, I miss you. Sending love from Toronto.